Hello everybody, this is MasterBots here, and today I will be reviewing the X-Man Tornado. The X-Man Tornado can be found from $11 to $15 on various cube stores. It also comes in the standard Moyu/Chi shades, which contrast very well. The turning on this cube is fast, smooth, and slightly scratchy. When you turn slow, it gets a sort of bumpy feel. Corner cutting on this cube is well over 45 normal, and a little more than line to line reverse. Overall, there's about one place where this cube can't cut, which really isn't that big of a deal. The mechanism on this cube is pretty standard, and the pieces fit together nicely as they should. Corner twists can happen occasionally on this cube, but pops are pretty rare. Overall, I would recommend this to people who like fast and slightly scratchy cubes, and to those who like the Thunderclap. So, I hope you guys enjoyed, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.